So today we are talking about how to overcome criticism and negative comments, particularly if you own a sole purpose business and particularly if you are an empath or a highly sensitive person. And quite frankly, if you just care about what other people think of you, then these comments can feel really hard and often they can put us off living the life that we want to live. And these comments may come in person, they may come through feedback forms, they may come through DMs and messages, they may come through comments on social media, and it can often really take us off track. And I know in the past, often when I have heard a negative comment or read a negative comment, that I then think about it for a day or two afterwards, despite the fact that I would have thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of positive comments and positive feedback and positive sales. There's something about human nature that often means that we hold on to those negative comments more than the positive ones. But there's a few things that I now do which really help me to not hold on to those comments as much. The first thing I do, which I'm definitely still trying to practice, but when positive comments, whether it be in person or online, come through, I actually try to celebrate these as much as I can. I try to congratulate myself, and I try to, more than anything, say that has helped that person, that has made a difference to that person, so I've done my job right. And the more that we do that, and the more that we're in the energy of yes, we're helping people, yes, we're making a difference, and yes, they're loving what we do, and the more that we let that sink into us deeper, when those negative comments come along, it feels so much easier to handle. The other thing I do is just to expect some negative comments or feedback occasionally. I don't expect it all the time because you don't want to put out to the universe that you're going to have it all the time. But actually, I realise that if I say to myself, occasionally there's going to be somebody who doesn't like what I do, or occasionally there's going to be someone who is saying something unnecessarily mean or unnecessarily negative to me. When I see it, I can just say, okay, there's that person. There it is, and I can just let it go and I can just let it pass, rather than expecting that everyone is going to like me all the time. And that leads me quite nicely into my next point, which not everyone will like us all the time. Think about real life. I'm sure that you have friends who like you, who love you, but not everyone's your friend, not everyone's your best friend, and neither would you want them to be. And it's the same that goes to business. You want to speak to your soulmate clients, you want to speak to the people who really want to hear the real authentic you and really want what you offer. You're not trying to please everyone. Don't try and be everything to everyone. We want to be everything to our soulmate clients. And remember, it's okay to repel some people. It's okay if you trigger some people, because not everyone is your customer. Not everyone is going to want your service. And that really, really helps as well. It's also very good, another little tip, to start using affirmations. So even simple affirmations. I am enough. I am worthy, I am successful, I am abundant. These affirmations said to ourselves at least 3 times every day just bring us into this really positive energy. So try that as well. So next time you get a negative comment, first of all, remember, if it's online, just always delete it and never ever reply to it. Delete it. If you want to block that person, do it. If it's in real life, just stay calm, let it wash over you. And remember, congratulate yourself for the good comments. Really focus on the positive people. Remember, not everyone is going to be your soulmate client. Use your affirmations as well. Expect a few people to not like you, and that's okay. If you'd like more information on the courses that I offer, and I've got some really exciting courses, I've got a 10-session Be Your Own Brand course coming up, which is the self-led, self-study course. It's 10 hour-and-a-half sessions, and in the Be Your Own Brand, you learn everything about how to grow your brand and grow your business in a soulful way. And I teach you everything I've learned over the last 17 years as the the face yoga expert in the wellness industry. I've also got another upcoming course. It's a 3-hour Zoom session, and whilst you're with me on Zoom, you will be planning a month worth of soulful, conscious, successful social media content. So in just 3 hours with me, you will be able to make a really good plan that's going to make a difference, going to make sales, and it's going to be done in a really soulful way. So I know that you'll love that one as well. So if you go to yoursoulpurposebusiness.com, you'll find more information on there. Take care. Bye bye.